ADA coin cost could flood to a limit of 71 cents toward the finish of 2023. Voltaire is supposed to be the last phase of Cardano network for it to turn into a self-supporting organization. Cardano cost with a flood could accomplish the $4 mark by 2030, with a likely high of $4.10 for the year. The year 2009 was a crucial year for the crypto business, as it changed the future of the fintech business until the end of time. This is chiefly in light of the fact that the year had a place with the crude digital currency Bitcoin. Pushing ahead to 2015, the year likewise had a place with the biggest altcoin Ethereum and the chain which has been tenacious with its turns of events, Cardano. The Cardano network is effectively delegated as quite possibly of the most versatile framework on the planet financial gathering. The organization has been quick advancing to be the main companion looked into and perfectly adaptable chain. In the interim, the worth of the local symbolic ADA coin cost remained vigorously depleted, being unimpacted generally. Cardano cost expectation for 2023 could go from 47 cents to 71 cents for the year. Voltaire is supposed to be the last phase of Cardano network for it to turn into a self-supporting organization. After this, the organization members will have the entrance of their stake and furthermore have casting a ballot rights which will impact the future improvement of the organization. Cardano is a proof-of-stake blockchain stage, first to be established on peer-explored research and created through proof-based strategies by the organization. It consolidates trend-setting innovations to give unmatched security and supportability to decentralized applications, frameworks, and social orders. What is Cardano? The Cardano network is likewise the world's very first friend-checked on decentralized blockchain arrangement, which flaunts ADA as local cryptographic money drives that convention. It was made by ex-Ethereum Prime supporter Charles Hoskinson and was sent off in September 2017. The altcoin has a stockpile breaking point of 45 billion tokens. Cardano Value Forecast 2023. Hydra is the following impending update of Cardano for Layer 2 versatility arrangement. It fundamentally expects to speed up through low dormancy and high throughput, which likewise offers limited exchange cost. It will further develop the organization's security and increment its abilities higher than ever. Hydra offers expanded throughput, limited inactivity, and cost-effective arrangements. The cost of Cardano cost has not seen a positive cost activity following the Hydra declaration, as the value keeps on declining continually. This is supposed to be a great time for merchants and financial backers as the cost of this crypto is low and has a high expected before long. A consistent grade and noticeable quality is basic for Cardano coin, as the outcomes will ultimately ponder ADA's cost. In such a hopeful situation, we anticipate that the ADA coin cost should reach as high as 71 cents. On the drawback, assuming things win for the bears, the altcoin's cost could land at 47 cents. Progressively, a balance in the trading tensions could land the typical cost at 55 cents. ADA Coin Value Forecast 2024. Cardano is the first blockchain stage to be worked through peer-assessed research, to be adequately secured to safeguard the information of billions, sufficiently versatile to oblige worldwide frameworks, and adequately strong to help fundamental change. IFIs and Cardano's developing strength in the area could become basic for Cardano. Besides, the raising count of designers would assist with enhancing the arranged drives of the organization, wherefore ADA cost could push to a limit of 99 cents toward the finish of 2024. In any case, on the off chance that the more extensive market goes over a potential monetary emergency or administrative bottlenecks, the Cardano cost could drop to 75 cents. That being said, the standard cost could settle at 83 cents. Cardano Value Forecast 2025. Toward the finish of 2025, in the event that the convention carries out its open democratic framework, the organization could lose specific dealers, taking a chance with the cost to plunge close 92 cents. Notwithstanding, taking into account enhancements in bug anticipation frameworks, the cost might cruise in normal figures close $1.06. On the off chance that Cardano ADA effectively hails off certain activities, coordinated efforts, and new updates in savvy contracts, the ADA cost could strike a limit of $1.26 toward the finish of 2025. Cardano Figure 2026. As per our examiners, ADA coin cost for the year 2026 could run between $1.10 to $1.59, and the typical cost of Cardano could be around $1.34. ADA Value Expectation 2027. As indicated by our experts, Cardano cost for the year 2027 could go between $1.56 to $1.98, and the typical cost of ADA could be around $1.75. Cardano Expectation 2028. As indicated by our examiners, ADA expectation for the year 2028 could run between $1.93 to $2.32, and the typical cost of Cardano could be around $2.16. ADA coin cost expectations 2029. As per our examiners, Cardano figure for the year 2029 could run between $2.35 to $3.02, and the typical cost of ADA could be around $2.67. Cardano value expectation 2030. As indicated by our examiners, ADA cost expectations for the year 2030 could run between $2.99 to $4.10, and the typical cost of Cardano could be around $3.52. Cardano value expectation. Assume ADA Cardano value keeps on zeroing and on traveling from a creating organization to a created one. All things considered, we will find the convention expanding on its client base with an inundation of more up-to-date clients. Once more, this could help the value expectation of ADA to raise its bar to 71 cents toward the finish of 2023. Be that as it may, assuming that negative discernments torment ADA coin cost projection while the organization is still a work in progress, the bears could take advantage of the chance and check the year-end value focus to levels around 47 cents. Key investigation. The blockchain is split into two layers, specifically the Cardano settlement layer and Cardano computational layer. The CSL invigorates the distributed exchanges inside the organization utilizing the Ouroboros system, and the brilliant agreement component is taken over by the CCL layer, permitting a consistent movement in the two sections. Despite the fact that Cardano utilizes a POS calculation, it utilizes a mind-boggling variant marked Ouroboros POS. Ouroboros, in contrast to ordinary POS, makes time slots called an age. Every age has a space chief picked by different hubs in the opening. These pioneers complete block creation in every age, and every pioneer has an opportunity to make it happen. This diminishes clog and expands TPS. Verifiable value feelings 2017 to 2021. Cardano's group raised more than $63 million during its ICO. The market capitalization developed to more than $600 million by the 1st of October 2017. By the 29th of November, the altcoin shot up more than 142.4%, taking its market capitalization to $3.58. In the absolute first month of the year 2018, the altcoin's cost had an ATH of $1.16. Nonetheless, falling into a negative snare, the cost descended to 4 cents before the year's over. ADA cost had started the year on a bullish note and figured out how to hit $0. The 5th of January 9th, heading on a downtrend. The value slipped to 3 cents on February 6th, yet figured out how to hit 10 cents on April 3rd. After a pullback to 5 cents and dreary endeavors, ADA cost hit 11 cents on the 26th of June. Pursuing delayed negative directions, ADA cost tracked down help at 3 cents in December. Cardano had started the year at 3 cents and rose to 6 cents by mid-February, yet amazingly tumbled to 2 cents in spring. Heavy lashes brought the cost down from 15 cents to 7 cents by September end. The exchange for 2020 was put to an end at 17 cents. The year had started on a bullish note, wherein the altcoin hit another ATH of $2.40. The market decline in May hauled the cost from $2 to $1.